Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome Diwali with Moni. In today's video, I am going to show you quick, simple self-pampering plus grooming session at home for Diwali. If this is something that interests you, then please keep on watching. Also guys, if you are seeing me for the very first time, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Now, without blabbering much, let's just get right into the video.
So let's start with the cleansing first. I am using Pond's face wash over here. You can use any face wash or any cleanser you have. Now just towel dry your face. The first step is scrubbing and I am using the scrub from Good Vibes. Also I'll show you the alternative DIYs for all the products I am using today. So for DIY gel scrub I am taking this aloe vera gel and coffee. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to apply the Good Vibes one on one side of the face and the DIY gel scrub on another side of the face. You will notice that the effect that both scrubs are giving me will be similar. It's just that you need to exfoliate your skin. And that is the key. Now next step of your self-care routine will be masking. Here as well I am taking the Good Vibes mask and I am also making a DIY for that. For that I am using multani mitti, chandan powder and rose water. All these ingredients are really good for your skin and they can do wonders on your skin if you apply them regularly. Again I am applying the Good Vibes one on one side of the face and DIY one on another side of the face. Also guys, I'll be mentioning all the products that I'm using today in the description box so you can check them and get your hands on it if you want. Now we'll have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes but will not waste our time because we don't have it, right? In between we are going to do some lip scrubbing and here I am using this DIY lip scrub and it is really amazing for your lips. In it we have very nice ingredients like roses. I have made whole DIY video of this lip scrub and I will leave the link in the description box as well as on I button. Now let's move on to facial hair, eyebrows and upper lips. Now I am quite comfortable with doing my eyebrows at home with shaving method. If you are not, then you can go for threading as well. Also, do not try this on dry skin. If you are trying it at home, please apply at least some aloe vera gel or some moisturizer. Now let's move on to the next step and that is applying some toner. Toner is very important after you do scrubbing or exfoliating your skin as toner closes up all your pores. So it is very important. If you don't have toner, then you can simply apply good rose water. Now we are going to apply some lip balm on our lips as we have also scrubbed our lips. Then finally moving on to the moisturizer. I am going to apply a thick layer of moisturizer all over my face. And now time for some eye pamper session. Here I am taking one cotton pad and making eye serum mask at home. Dip it into the rose water and apply good layer of aloe vera gel. Keep it on your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes and that's it. Remove it after 10 minutes. Also massage the serum on your eyes gently. You can also utilize the extra serum on the pad by applying it on your hand. Now for body care, I am going to scrub my hands and legs with this scrub and also I'll show you the DIY alternative of this. For DIY, I am using some sugar, powdered sugar, coconut oil and coffee. Mix them well and yeah, our body scrub is ready. Exfoliate your hands and legs and then apply a good layer of moisturizer on it.
And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you really liked and enjoyed the video, and also it was really helpful to you. I'm going to mention each and everything and all the products in the description box below that I have used today for my video. You can check all of them in the description box. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.